In this video, I will show you how to fix error code 0xc004f213 in Windows 10. If Windows was pre-installed and you replace the motherboard, you may need a new license. Follow these steps. Go to Start, then go to Settings, click on System, then Activation on Windows 11, or Updates and Security, then Activation on Windows 10. Choose Go to Microsoft Store if a new license is required. If you have a product key, click Change Product Key, enter it, and press Next to complete activation. If you previously activated Windows with digital license, you can log in with your Microsoft account to reactivate it. Go to Settings, then Activation. Click Add an account and sign in with the Microsoft account linked to your license. Windows should active automatically. To check activation status, run command prompt as administrator, type slmgr space /xbr, press enter to confirm activation. Another method is use a pre-installed key. If your PC came with Windows pre-installed, the system might have forgotten your product key. To retrieve it, check the sticker on the back of your PC or the physical package. Use PowerShell to find the key. Open PowerShell as administrator. Type and execute this command. The command will be given in the description. Copy the key, then enter in the settings. Then activation to activate Windows. Another method is run Windows Activation Troubleshooter. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter to fix activation error. Press Windows key plus R button. Type the following code. Click OK to open activation settings. The error code 0x00F213 will appear along with the troubleshoot button. Click it. Follow the on-screen instruction to fix the issue. The method 5 is updating Windows. Keeping Windows updated can sometimes fix activation issues. Go to Settings, Windows Update, click Check for Updates and install any available updates. Restart your PC and try activating Windows again. Before updating, back up your PC using Minitool Shadow Maker to avoid data loss. That's it. This method should help you fix your error code 0xc004f213 on Windows 10. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.